morning and welcome to online class. Class 6, day 23. Yes, subject social studies, lesson 2.3, respect diversity. Yes, we will study about respect diversity. In that lesson today we will study unity in diversity. What is the meaning of unity in diversity? Unity means being one. The condition of being one is called unity, and diversity means where refer to the state of being different. Yes, state of being different means what? Diversity, and unity means condition of being one. Yes, and what is the meaning of unity of diversity? Listen, look here. Unity in diversity is a concept which signifies unity among individuals who have certain differences among them. Yes, these differences can be on the basis of culture, language, ideology, religion, sex, class, etc. Yes, we can understand the meaning of unity in diversity by looking this or by learning this note. Yes, unity in diversity भनेको के हो त? The condition of being one is called unity, whereas diversity means the state of different. Yes, state of different. Our country has natural and socio-cultural diversity. Our country has natural and socio-cultural diversity. Same like that, unity among the people despite and diversity is our unique identity. Diversity means what? Unique identity. हाम्रो identity नै के हो त? Unity in diversity. हामीमा के छ त? एकता छ. Yes, हामीमा के छ त? एकता छ. And we promise that in future also we will seek in unity in diversity. Yes, our world, whole world will know us and feel proud that they always follow unity in diversity, tolerance. Yes, respecting each and every culture, tradition, caste. Yes, religious tolerance means what? Respecting all cultural, caste, language. Yes, same like that, the Nepali people have a long tradition of respecting culture, each other culture, tradition, religion, and observing each other's festival. We know that very well. Yes, we also following these rules. हामीले पनि यही rules and regulation follow गर्दैछौं. We respect other culture, tradition, religions. Yes, and their festivals also. We also follow that festival. Yes, Christmas Day also we follow, and the Christian also follow our our rules, our tradition, Dasai and Tihar. Yes, same like that. Language also, we also speak their language. We are Nepali, yes, but also we speak Bhojpuri, we speak Hindi language, we speak English language. Yes, this means respecting other language. We also follow different culture, yes, and tradition. We follow Dasai Tihar festival. Yes, Dasai Tihar, Christmas Day, Chhath. Yes, and they also follow this festival. That means respecting to other culture, festival, tradition, religion. Yes, this only happen in unity in diversity. Yes, Hindus visit Gumbas, Bihar, monasteries, and Buddhists visit temple. Yes, such mutual understanding, mutual cooperation, respecting to each other, cultural harmony, feeling of neighborhood. Yes, and religious tolerance among the people make Nepal a unique country in the world. यो सबैले गर्दा नै के छ त? हाम्रो नेपाल एउटा वर्ल्ड मै युनिक छ, because each and every we give respect. We follow all social customs. Yes, we respect all social custom, tradition, religion. So Nepal is very unique in the world. यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के छ त नेपाल विश्वमै युनिक छ, एउटा आइडेन्टिटी बनाएको छ नेपालले. Unity in diversity in Nepal like has become possible due to our nature of loving, peace, tolerance and friendship. Yes, Nepali people habit is that they always respect to other people, other culture. Yes, and they also follow other culture. Yes, they behave as a friends. They never irritate or ignorance the people. So Nepali people love nature. Yes, this unity in diversity has been successfully continued till today's simple past, and we must place that it will be also continue even in future. Such place and continuity for unity make the slogan respect our diversity for strong national unity meaningful. Yes, हामीले अरूलाई रेस्पेक्ट दियो भने, डिफ्रेन्ट थिङ्सलाई रेस्पेक्ट दियो भने यो के हुन्छ त, हामीले पनि उताबाट के पाउँछौ त, रेस्पेक्ट पाउँछ. यस, रेस्पेक्ट फर डाइभर्सिटी मीन्स व्हाट, डिफ्रेन्ट थिङ्स. यस, फर स्ट्रङ नेशनल युनिटी. हाम्रो नेशनल युनिटी भएको कारण के हो त, आवर रेस्पेक्ट फर अदर कल्चर, ट्रेडिसन. यस, आवर पीस लभिङ, नेचर लभिङ. Yes, behaving as a friend. Yes, and this thing is very unique in the world, so people know about us. Yes, today I teach you about unity in diversity. Yes, in book there is given some meaning. Yes, please learn that meaning. Look here. Here is word meaning. Here is given about flora and fauna, indigenous, neighbor, nationalhood, tolerance, place means promise, a serious promise. Yes, same like that. Tolerance means accepting and respecting somebody's opinion. कसैको ओपिनियनलाई जुन हामीले रेस्पेक्ट दिन्छौँ नि त्यसलाई के भन्छ त, टोलरेन्स. नेशनहुड, कनेक्टेड टु द पार्टिकुलर नेशन. कुनै पनि छिमेकी राष्ट्रहरुसँग हामी कनेक्टेड हुन्छौं नि, सेम लाइक नेबरहुड हामीले पढ्छौं नि, सेम लाइक द नेशनहुड. यस, एन्ड indigenous belonging to a particular place rather than coming from somewhere else. And same like that, flora and fauna, plants and animals of a particular area. त्यो एरियाको plants and animals लाई जो के भन्छ त, fauna and flora. Yes, learn this meaning also. Okay, and today I will give you some tasks. Please complete that task in time and show me. This is your task. Answer the following question. Yes, what do you mean by religious tolerance? Write the meaning of religious tolerance. What is the meaning? Behaving equal. Yes, respecting for other culture, tradition. Yes, that means religious tolerance. Write the meaning of the slogan respect diversity for a strong national unity. Just I have explained you. Yes, and you can take the help of your book also. Right? Yes, and write from there about this respect diversity for a strong national unity. Yes, we have to respect other people, other culture, tradition. We have to behave as a friend. Yes, that means it will make our national unity is strong. Yes, today this much. In next class I will teach you new lesson. Yes, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.